Okay, right now we're working on a 2010 Ford F150 with the Ford Sync system, and we've customized a iPad to fit and replace the media radio. So now we can just take the iPad here and insert it into the side. And of course it plugs into our dock, charges. There you go, let's get the charging indicator going. And music playing. Of course, listen to the radio right now. And we just hit the media button on the steering controls. And go to Bluetooth. And now you've got the music playing over the Bluetooth. And we can control the volume simply by pressing steering controls. Volume up, volume down, track up. And we got controls here on the radio. On the iPads, you can go through your photos, scroll through your photos, and of course your navigation and anything else you have for apps on your iPad. And just slide it right back out. And you can go back to regular radio if you don't have your iPad in here and just listen to music again. And that's our custom installation of an iPad and a Ford F150 here at Anywhere Audio and More in Manchester, New Hampshire.